So now I'm going to go over the spinning back kick. So demonstrating on Bob, I don't just want to throw this technique, yeah, especially don't drop my hands like that. I don't want to just throw the technique. I want to be faking, moving, so possibly a jab, faking here, moving around, not staying predictable. I either pivot or I step. It doesn't matter. Everybody has their preference. You can pivot, okay? Pivot, step, okay? Now the weight is on my lead. Turning, now this is the trick. I'm back facing. Hands up, shoulder protecting my face, straight back, okay? Here, being unpredictable, here's the pivot, okay? Pivot, back facing, straight back to my stance. So that's the spinning back kick. I hope you enjoyed this technique. A lot of people discount this technique immediately because it's a spinning kick. I find this technique to be very safe to throw in a fight.